Cooking should be simple. These 30 Amazon kitchen gadgets are designed to make life easier for seniors in 2026. Some of these save time and effort instantly, especially gadget number 5. Cook a variety of meals with this 3-quart electric hot pot wok. With 1200 W power, non-stick surface, and included steamer, it's perfect for stir-fries, soups, and hot pots. Comes with a silicone spatula, making it ideal for dorms, home use, or as a versatile gift for food lovers. Organize your kitchen with the Nischel wall-mounted cereal dispenser set. This 2-piece, 4.5L triple-container design stores cereal, snacks, coffee beans, and more. With easy dispensing and a space-saving wall mount, it keeps food fresh, accessible, and your countertop clutter-free, perfect for modern kitchens. Melt and temper chocolate effortlessly with the Dynaliving Dual Chocolate Melting Pot. This 80W electric machine heats chocolate evenly for baking, fondue, or candy making. Perfect for home use, it delivers smooth, rich chocolate every time. Ideal for desserts, treats, and chocolate lovers. Make healthy snacks fast with the Dash Deluxe Egg Bite Maker. Cook up to 4 delicious egg bites at once, perfect for protein-packed breakfasts or quick bites. Its non-stick surface ensures easy cleanup, while the compact, non-slip design fits any kitchen. Quick, simple, and tasty every time. Cook and serve multiple dishes at once with the Amazon Basics Triple Slow Cooker. Featuring 3 2.5-quart pots with ceramic non-stick coating, it offers easy cooking and cleanup. Adjustable temperature controls keep food perfectly warm. Ideal for parties, buffets, and family gatherings. Simplify cooking with the Utensil Stir, the unique automatic pan stirrer. It stirs sauces, soups, and stews evenly, freeing your hands for multitasking. Featuring an LED speed indicator, it's perfect for precise, effortless cooking, making meal prep faster, easier, and mess-free. Cook perfect boba every time with the WantJoin 12L Boba Cooker. Designed for commercial use, this 1850W machine quickly prepares tapioca pearls with consistent results. Ideal for milk tea shops, restaurants, and dessert stores. Powerful, efficient, and built for high-demand beverage service. Keep your drinks fresh anywhere with these 4-pack magnetic soda can lids. Reusable and BPA-free, they snap on easily to create an airtight seal, keeping bugs and dust out. Perfect for BBQs, beach days, and parties, they fit standard cans for clean, worry-free sipping. Mix dough the easy way with the Tivia Danish Dough Whisk. Crafted with durable stainless steel and a comfortable wooden handle, it blends sourdough and bread dough smoothly without overworking. Strong, simple, and efficient, perfect for homemade baking every time. Enjoy sweet moments with the electric chocolate fondue pot set. With a 4-cup capacity, 4 trays, 5 forks, and a spatula, it's perfect for dipping chocolate, cheese, or treats. Ideal for couples, family, date nights, housewarming, or holidays, fun, delicious, and easy to use. Upgrade your drink station with the WantJoin Fructose Dispenser. This commercial-grade 8L machine features 16 precise weight settings for accurate syrup dispensing every time. Perfect for bubble tea and beverages, it includes a measuring cup and mixing stick, fast, efficient, and consistent for busy kitchens or shops. Cook cozy meals with the Sunvivy 2-quart slow cooker. Perfect for small portions, it features 3 heat settings for easy, controlled cooking. The removable ceramic pot and dishwasher-safe glass lid make cleanup simple, compact, convenient, and ideal for everyday home cooking. Bring the fun of Korean barbecue home with the Techwood Raclette Grill. Featuring a removable 2-in-1 non-stick grill plate, 8 cheese melt pans, and 1500 W fast heating, it's perfect for grilling meats, veggies, and melting cheese. Ideal for parties and family gatherings. Interactive, delicious, and easy to use. Make mealtime simple with the Cook with Color 2 Cutie Mini Slow Cooker. With adjustable settings, a removable stoneware pot, and a tempered glass lid, it delivers perfectly cooked meals every time. Dishwasher safe and designed with cool touch handles, it's compact, stylish, and perfect for everyday cooking. Chop and blend anywhere with this rechargeable mini food processor. With a 300 milliliters capacity and sharp stainless steel blades, it easily handles garlic, nuts, onions, meat, and spices. Cordless, compact, and BPA-free, it's perfect for quick prep at home or on the go. Keep your kitchen organized with the Dechen 360 degrees rotating silverware organizer. This silverware caddy features 7 slots and an intermediate drainage system with a cover, perfect for spoons, forks, and utensils. Rotatable for easy access, it's ideal for daily use, parties, or countertop organization, stylish, functional, and mess-free. Enjoy perfectly cooked ramen anywhere with the AI Love Piece microwavable ramen bowl cooker. This leak-proof noodle container features a secure lid and built-in utensils for ultimate convenience. Made from BPA-free materials, it's safe for the microwave, dishwasher, and freezer. Ideal for home, office, or travel, quick, clean, and hassle-free ramen every time. Keep your pantry neat and your food fresh with the Honeycandu Zevro Essential Dual Control Dry Food Dispenser. Designed for effortless portion control, it smoothly dispenses cereal, snacks, or dog food with a simple twist. Each clear container holds up to 17.5 ounces, making it easy to see when it's time to refill. Perfect for organized, mess-free storage the whole family can use. Make perfect crepes anytime with the Moss Stone Electric Crepe Maker. This compact 8-inch nonstick pan delivers even heating for smooth, delicious results every time. Just dip, cook, and flip with ease. No mess, no stress. With automatic temperature control and auto shutoff, it's safe, simple, and perfect for quick breakfasts or sweet treats at home. Extract fresh juice effortlessly with the Zuli Kitchen Cast Iron Juicer. This heavy-duty manual citrus press handles lemons, oranges, and more with ease. Made from durable cast iron with stainless steel components, it's easy to clean, professional quality, and perfect for fresh, flavorful juice every day. Mix like a pro with this 9-speed digital hand mixer. Powered by a 400W motor, it handles everything from light batters to heavy dough with ease. Includes 5 stainless steel attachments and a snap-on storage case for convenience. Powerful, compact, and perfect for everyday baking. Grind your spices and herbs effortlessly with the Mamba electric grinder. This USB rechargeable, portable 1G metal grinder makes seasoning quick and easy. Compact yet powerful, it's perfect for fresh herbs, spices, and even small seeds in the kitchen. Quick to use, easy to clean, and built for convenience. Fresh flavors anytime, anywhere. Enjoy fresh salads anywhere with this smart salad jar with side opening. Its leak-proof design keeps everything secure, while the built-in dressing cup keeps flavors fresh until you're ready. Easy lid-to-bowl access and dishwasher-safe convenience make it perfect for office, gym, travel, or picnics. Healthy eating made simple. Keep your kitchen clean with the Bergkoch 13-inch splatter screen. Made from durable stainless steel, it prevents oil and grease from splashing while cooking bacon, fried chicken, or popcorn. Fits most frying pans, easy to use, and perfect for safer, cleaner, mess-free cooking. Upgrade your kitchen prep with this Acacia cutting board meal prep system. Featuring built-in containers with lids for interchangeable graters and 2 plastic boards for meat, it keeps prep organized and mess-free. Juice grooves capture liquids, while the durable design makes chopping, grating, and storing food faster and cleaner. An all-in-one prep station for any kitchen. Upgrade your prep with this meat tenderizer attachment for KitchenAid mixers. Featuring 3 adjustable thickness settings, it tenderizes and cubes meat quickly and evenly. The transparent cover adds safety, while the dishwasher-safe design makes cleanup easy, perfect for faster, better cooking every time. Make fun, homemade treats with the Mini Donut Maker machine. Designed for kid-friendly breakfasts, snacks, and desserts, it makes 7 cute donuts at once with a fun donut print. The non-stick surface ensures easy release and quick cleanup, making every sweet moment simple, safe, and delicious. Tasty Crisp Electric Air Fryer Oven. Healthier food, Tasty Crisp Air Fryer uses air crisp technology instead of oil to cook vegetables, frozen foods, and more, reducing added fat by 70 to 80%. It's a must-have mini kitchen appliance, and the Aqua Green Air Fryer looks great in any kitchen. Quick and easy, this countertop air fryer is compact, sized for any kitchen, and makes cooking healthy a breeze. Just load the air cooker nonstick basket, set the temp and timer, and within minutes you have crispy food. Personal air fryer. Keep your kitchen clean and organized with the El Fico hanging trash can with lid. This 2.5-gallon compact bin is perfect for undersink, cupboard, or countertop use. Wall-mounted or freestanding, it saves space while the secure lid locks in odors. Durable, modern, and convenient, it's an ideal solution for everyday kitchen waste and compost. Cook anywhere with the Techwood 1800W portable hot plate. Featuring dual burners, adjustable temperature, and sturdy handles, it fits a 7.5-inch cooktop for home, RV, or camping. Compatible with all cookware, this silver countertop stove delivers powerful, convenient, and versatile cooking wherever you need it. Electric knife sharpener. Convert your knives. Ideal for converting traditional 20-degree factory edges of household knives into high-performance Treaser 1515-degree edges. Diamonds. Advanced stropping stage and 100% diamond abrasives for sharpening straight edge and serrated blades. Noise is between 65 dB and 75 dB. Easy to use. Advanced, patented flexible spring guides for automatic adjustment and accurate control of the sharpening angle and feature simple on-off switch. 3 stages. 3-stage edge select sharpening system for optimum versatility in providing the perfect edge for each cutting task. Stages 1 and 2 are plated with 100% diamond abrasives to sharpen and hone the edge, and Stage 3 uses a patented flexible abrasive system to polish and help prolong the life of serrated knives. Meet the Chef IQ Mini Oven, your all-in-one smart cooking solution. This 11-in-1 countertop oven lets you bake, broil, air fry, dehydrate, and more with powerful 1750W performance. Its spacious 25-quart capacity handles family meals with ease, while fast convection cooking saves you time. The sleek touchscreen controls make every dish simple and precise. Cook smarter, faster, and better, all in one compact appliance. Electric hot pot. Multifunction electric pot. Uliki Hot Pot Electric is equipped with dual power regulation functions, 300W and 600W. You can choose the desired power freely. At 300W power, the rapid ramen cooker is perfect to make oatmeal, spaghetti, and eggs. When you cook soup or hot pot, you can switch to the high power of 600W. The shabu shabu pot can provide you with a variety of choices for your daily meals. Easy to clean and non-stick coating. The surface of the noodle cooker is made of a food-grade non-stick coating, which can keep food from sticking, which can cook healthy food with less oil. After cooking, the surface of the portable electric hot pot can be easily cleaned with water and a sponge to meet all your expectations of deliciousness. This electric vegetable slicer set is a powerful 4-in-1 portable food processor designed to make kitchen prep fast and effortless. It slices, chops, and mixes vegetables, meat, garlic, onions, peppers, and more with one touch. The rechargeable, wireless design lets you use it anywhere without cords, while the sharp stainless steel blades deliver quick, even results. Compact and easy to clean, this smart kitchen tool saves time and energy. Perfect for busy home cooks who want fresh ingredients in seconds. Make food prep quick and effortless with the crafty crocodile egg slicer for hard-boiled eggs. Featuring 3 slicing modes, this heavy-duty kitchen tool delivers perfect slices every time. The sharp stainless steel wires easily cut eggs, strawberries, mushrooms, grapes, and cherry tomatoes with a simple press. Durable, easy to use, and compact in design, it's the perfect kitchen chopper for salads, snacks, and everyday meal prep. Make outings easier with the Swanu Universal Stroller Snack Tray. Compatible with Nuna, Mockingbird, Bugaboo, and UPP strollers, it attaches to the bumper bar and features a cup holder and snack compartment. Perfect for babies and toddlers, it keeps snacks and drinks within reach. Ideal for Disneyland trips or everyday strolls. Slice like a pitmaster with the Cutlux 12 brisket knife. Crafted from razor-sharp German steel, it delivers smooth, precise cuts for meat and barbecue. The ergonomic full-tang handle ensures comfort and control, while the included sheath keeps it protected. Perfect for grilling enthusiasts and serious cooks. Clean and drain with ease using the multifunctional drain basket. This 2024 fruit cleaning bowl set includes 2 clear containers with built-in strainers, perfect for washing fruits, vegetables, and catching food over the sink. Durable, practical, and mess-free, it's a must-have for every kitchen. Serve snacks in style with the Dowen 360 degrees rotatable serving tray. This 12-inch set features 7 removable, divided bowls perfect for chips, dip, fruits, veggies, candy, and more. Rotatable and easy to access, it's ideal for parties, gatherings, or everyday kitchen use, combining convenience and elegant presentation. The household double-head automatic dumpling maker mold makes homemade dumplings fast and easy. Featuring a double-head design, it helps you shape perfect dumplings in seconds. The built-in kneading pad, 2 dough pressing tools, and included spoon give you everything you need for quick preparation. Simply add filling, press, and seal with ease. Ideal for home kitchens or restaurants, this dumpling maker saves time while delivering consistent, professional-looking dumplings every time. Simplify cleanup anywhere with this 2.4-gallon collapsible dish basin. The foldable design saves space, while the built-in drain plug makes emptying quick and mess-free. Perfect for dishes, washing veggies, camping, or even chilling drinks. Your versatile, go-anywhere kitchen essential.